In this video, I will show you how to get Gorebox for free on PC. And no, I'm not talking about the Steam version. So what you want to do is search for Google Play Games Beta on Google and click on this particular link right here. Or simply click on the link in the description. Now you'll want to download the beta right here, and once you've installed it, you simply got to open the application, search for Gorebox and install it. Now as you can see, this game is marked as Untested, which means that it is playable for PC, but it's not going to be a perfect experience. So here are my first impressions of this version of the game. As you can see, the colors of the game appear to be really washed out for some reason. Like, everything looks dark and dull. It feels like the contrast of the game in general has been reduced a lot. And unfortunately, despite technically being a PC version of the game, you still can't play multiplayer on it. You'll still have to buy Gorebox on Steam in order to do that. Now I want to give you guys some beginner tips for playing this version of the game. First off, you can press F11 to enter full screen. You can press Shift and Tab to enter the options menu, where you can set the volume of the game. You can choose your screen resolution from in here, and you can even choose the size of your mouse pointer. And you can even select between tap controls and joystick controls. Now I want to tell you guys about the controls. To move, you can simply use the WASD keys. Holding down Shift while walking will cause you to sprint. Now in order to move the camera, you want to take your cursor and plant it anywhere on the right side of the screen. Then left click and drag to turn your character around. You can press V to toggle no clip. Tab works for your body inspector, and escape will bring in-game options. Now to spawn stuff in, you're going to have to use the regular mobile controls. That is clicking on this little circle first and then clicking on the plus sign. Switching between weapons is as easy as scrolling your mouse wheel. Unfortunately, every time that you do this, your character will be pointed in different angles. You can press spacebar to jump and Ctrl to crouch. And I believe the rest of the controls are the same as they are on mobile. Now there's a couple of things I wanted to mention which I noticed while editing. So there were these red artifacts which appeared on my screen, and I'm not sure if they're caused by my GPU issues or if it's because this game's graphics aren't working properly on the PC. And the second thing I wanted to mention was this lag that you can see on my screen while I'm turning my character around. For some reason this is only present in the final version of the video, and I don't really experience this while I'm playing the game itself. So that was it for this video. I've been Joseph, you've been my audience, thank you for watching and goodbye.